Baldwin, Surname, Meaning, and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English and Germanic surname derived from the masculine given name Baldwin, from the Germanic elements bald, meaning bold or brave, and wine, meaning friend. This personal name was popular among the Normans and in Flanders in the early Middle Ages, and was the personal name of the Crusader king who in 1100 AD became the first Christian king of Jerusalem, and it was also the name of 4 Crusader kings after him. It was also borne by Baldwin, Count of Flanders, who was born in 1172 and was leader of the Fourth Crusade. He became the first Latin emperor of Constantinople, and it was also the name of Baldwin of Ford, who was Archbishop of Canterbury in England. Early bearers included Stephen Baldwyn in Hampshire, England in 1200, Thomas Baldwyn in Oxfordshire in 1273, Robert Baldwyn of Cambridgeshire in 1273, Alicia in Cambridgeshire in 1316, and John in Yorkshire in the year 1379. Landed gentry included Baldwin of Elsich Manor and Diddlebury in Shropshire, England, thought to have been constructed by Richard Baldwyn, who was born around the year 1510, a son of John Baldwyn, who was a member of the royal bodyguard of King Henry VII. The manor passed to his son Thomas Baldwyn, and his descendants held it until 1752. Baldwin of Stokesay Castle in Shropshire, England, acquired by Charles Baldwyn, a member of Parliament for Ludlow and a Royalist during the English Civil War. It passed to his son, Sir Samuel Baldwyn, born 1618, an Oxford-educated lawyer, and the older brother of Sir Timothy Baldwyn, also a lawyer. Baldwin of Aqualate Hall in Forton in County Staffordshire, England, acquired by Charles Baldwyn, born 1652, a member of Parliament for Ludlow, and inherited by his son, also named Charles, born 1684. Notables included Stanley Baldwin, a British statesman and conservative politician who dominated the government of the United Kingdom between the World Wars, serving as Prime Minister on 3 separate occasions. Monica Baldwin, born 1893, a British writer. She spent the first half of her adult life as a Catholic nun and is notable for the memoir she wrote after leaving her enclosed religious order. Sir John Baldwin, born 1470, a knight and chief justice of the court of King Henry VIII, sat in the House of Commons and presided over the trial of Anne Boleyn, and purchased the Dundridge Manor in Buckinghamshire, England. George Baldwin, born 1774, a British merchant, writer, and diplomat, whose career was principally based in Egypt, where he established valuable trade links for the East India Company and negotiated directly with the Ottoman governors. Abraham Baldwin, born 1754, an American minister, patriot, politician, and founding father who signed the United States Constitution. Henry Baldwin, born 1780, an associate justice of the Supreme Court of the United States. Frank Dwight Baldwin, born 1842, one of only 19 servicemen to receive the Medal of Honor twice, having served in the American Civil War, Indian Wars, and Spanish-American War. Roger Sherman Baldwin, born 1793, an American politician who served as the 32nd governor of Connecticut and a United States senator from that state from 1847 to 1851. William Warren Baldwin, born 1775, a doctor, businessman, lawyer, judge, and architect in Upper Canada. Early settlers included George Baldwin, who arrived in Massachusetts in 1620, Francis and Nicholas Baldwin, and John Baldwin came to Virginia in 1622. William came the following year. Edward Baldwin arrived in Maryland in 1753, and Richard Baldwin came to Newfoundland in 1724. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research service. Link in the description. Thank you very much.